This video presentation is about navigating change and offers tips for home-based travel agents. My name is Joni Ogg. The COVID-19 pandemic reshaped the global landscape in so many ways, with the travel industry being one of the most profoundly affected sectors. As the world gradually recovers and adapts to a post-pandemic environment, home-based travel agents face a unique set of challenges and opportunities. This video provides insights and tips for home-based travel agents to navigate this new landscape successfully. With physical meetings becoming less common, virtual consultations have become the norm. Platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams allow you to connect with clients seamlessly, providing personalized service without the need for face-to-face interaction. And many clients now prefer to manage their travel plans online. Invest in robust booking tools and apps that allow clients to browse options, make reservations, and access their itineraries digitally. Familiarize yourself with popular apps like TripIt, Hopper, and Kayak to stay ahead of the curve. Social media platforms are powerful tools for marketing and client engagement. Use Instagram to showcase stunning travel destinations, Facebook to share travel tips and updates, and LinkedIn to network with industry professionals. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you manage your social media platform efficiently. The pandemic changed the way people think about travel. Health and safety are now top priorities, and there is a greater emphasis on sustainability and meaningful experiences. As a travel professional, understanding this shift in mindset is crucial. Travelers are more cautious and informed about health and safety protocols. Ensure you are up to date with the latest travel advisories, quarantine requirements, or any vaccination mandates for different destinations, and partner with suppliers who prioritize safety and communicate these measures to you and your clients. And there's a growing demand for sustainable travel options. Clients are increasingly looking for eco-friendly accommodations, carbon offsetting opportunities, and authentic experiences that support local communities. Align yourself with suppliers who share these values and educate your clients on how they can can travel responsibly. Your clients can be a valuable resource of information. Regularly seek feedback on their experiences and preferences, and this is going to help you tailor your services to meet their evolving needs and expectations. The ability to offer a diverse range of travel niches is crucial. Travelers are exploring different types of vacations, from remote work getaways to nature-based trips. Expanding your portfolio to include these options will help you cater to a broader audience. And with remote work becoming more prevalent, many travelers are combining work with leisure. Offer packages that cater to these workations, featuring accommodations with reliable internet, comfortable workspace, and access to local attractions. Nomadic travel is also becoming very popular. Focus on promoting local destinations, road trips, and staycations. Highlight hidden gems within your clients' home countries that they may not have considered before. And wellness retreats, spa vacations, and outdoor adventures are increasingly popular. Partner with wellness-focused accommodations and tour operators to offer packages that promote health and relaxation. In a competitive landscape, exceptional customer service can be a major differentiator. Personalized attention, timely communication, and a genuine commitment to your client's needs will help you build loyalty and attract repeat business. Agents that experienced cancellation and refunds during the pandemic quickly lost a lot of money and time. Not only were refunds difficult to obtain, the process went on and on, having a dramatic impact on their business. Enhance your service by offering support when things go wrong. You should have service fees for consultation, crisis management, and any other services that you offer. Keep your clients informed at every stage of the booking process. Provide timely updates on any changes to their travel plans, and be proactive in offering solutions to potential issues. Clients are going to appreciate your attentiveness and your reliability. A simple follow-up after your clients return from their trip can leave a lasting impression. Ask for feedback, thank them for their business, and offer to assist with future travel plans. This shows that you value their experience and are committed to long-term relationships. And in today's digital age, your online presence is a critical component of your business. A professional website, active social media platform, and positive online reviews can significantly influence your potential clients' decisions. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and visually appealing. Include detailed information about your services, client testimonials, and an easy-to-navigate booking system. Regularly update your content to reflect the latest travel trends and offerings, and embrace AI and everything that it promises. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor. Positive reviews can boost your credibility and attract new clients. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, in a professional and courteous manner to demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. And get reviews from clients that you served during the pandemic. Share valuable original content that showcases your expertise and builds trust with your audience. And this could include blog posts, travel guides, destination spotlights, and travel tips. Regularly posting high-quality content can improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website. The pandemic has taught us that the future is unpredictable. As a home-based travel agent, it is important to be prepared for potential challenges or disruptions. And develop a crisis management plan that outlines how you will handle emergencies such as sudden travel restrictions, natural disasters, or supplier issues. This plan should include clear communication strategies, contingency plans, and resources for client assistance. The pandemic highlighted the importance of financial stability, so build a financial cushion to help you weather potential downturns. Consider diversifying your income streams, such as by offering travel insurance or selling travel-related products or providing consultancy services. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is key to long-term success. Stay informed about industry developments and be open to new opportunities, and be willing to pivot your business model if necessary. AI is rapidly evolving into one of the largest potential paradigms in travel industry, and who knows where it's going to go, so you should embrace it and make it a daily tool that you can use. And focus on providing exceptional customer service, building trust, and maintaining a strong online presence to attract and retain clients. Finally, prepare for future challenges by developing a crisis management plan and ensuring your financial stability. With these strategies in place, you can position yourself as a trusted advisor in the ever-evolving travel industry. By adapting to the new realities of the industry and staying focused on your clients' needs, you can thrive and help your clients create unforgettable travel experiences. Thank you so much for watching this short video. We hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, so why not give it a like or a share? And if you'd like to know when we release future tutorials, just feel free to subscribe to our